everyone, how are you? I'm Heather and I'm the Bed Yogi. When I only have a little bit of time to practice, I invite Winston to practice with me. When I only have a little bit of time to practice, this is my go-to. 15 minutes, the bare minimum of what I feel like I need to kind of get me through the rest of the day. So come on, let's get started. Come on into your downward facing dog. Set your feet. You can set your gaze. You might close your eyes. And if it feels better for you to begin in child's pose, you can begin in child's pose. Take a deep breath in. And a long breath out. So if you know you only have a little bit of time to practice, the challenge can really be not rushing this time. Instead, taking your time. Taking your time setting up your downward dog, setting your gaze or closing your eyes, even setting an intention for yourself. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Take a big inhale, then a big exhale. Take another deep breath in here. As you exhale, lightly step or jump to the front edge of your mat. Find your halfway lift, your flat back. Inhale, fold forward, exhale. Inhale, rise to stand. Come on up. Lift your hands high, reach up, look up. Draw your hands to your heart for a moment. Set your gaze, lower your gaze or close your eyes. Here, take a deep breath in. And a long exhale. Inhale, sweep your hands high, reach up. Fold forward, exhale. Find your halfway lift, flat back, inhale. Hands to your mat, step back to your high push-up. Little pause, knees lifted or lowered. Take a deep breath in. Forward and halfway down, low push-up. You can drop your knees or come all the way down. Inhaling, upward facing dog, maybe a cobra or a low cobra. Exhaling, back to your downward facing dog or your child's pose. Take this time to pay attention to your breath, to pay attention to your body. And even in the flow, in this little bit of time, let yourself slow down. Take another big inhale here. Exhale, step or jump to the front. Halfway lift, inhale, exhale, fold. Inhale, rise to stand, lift and reach, fold forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale. Hands to your mat. High push-up to low push-up as you exhale. You can step or jump. Upward dog, big breath in. Downward dog, breath out. Take a deep breath in. And a long breath out. Take a big inhale. And a big exhale. One more deep breath in here. Fill up. Exhale lightly. Step or jump forward. Halfway lift, inhale, exhale, fold. Inhale, rise to stand. Hands high, heart lifts. Fold forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale. Chaturanga, low push-up. Step or jump back. Upward dog, big breath in. Downward dog, breath out. Take a deep inhale. And a big exhale. Breathe in. And breathe out. Once more, deep inhale, fill up. Exhale, step or jump forward. Halfway lift, inhale, exhale, fold. Inhale, rise to stand. Reach up, lengthen up, fold forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale. High push up to low push up, exhale. Upward dog, take a deep breath in. Downward dog, breath out. Really nice. Take a big breath in. And a long breath out. Another big inhale here. Exhale, step or jump to the front. Halfway lift, inhale, exhale, fold. Utkatasana, sit down, come on up, reach up, fold forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale. High push up to low push up, exhale. Upward dog, Take a big breath in, downward dog, breath out. Right foot steps forward, warrior one. Back foot spins flat. Come on up, deep bend in your front knee. Shoulders soft. Heart lifts, hands high. Take a big inhale. Exhale, hands come down to your mat. High push up to low push up. Upward dog. Inhale, downward dog. Exhale. Left foot steps forward, warrior one. Back foot is flat. Feel your feet. Bend into your front knee. Ground down so you can lift up. Big inhale. Exhale, hands come back to your mat. High push up to low push up. Upward dog. Inhale, downward dog. Exhale, right foot steps again, warrior one. Rise up, open out to your warrior two. Check in with your feet. Lengthen through your arms, lengthen through your spine. Spin your palms to the sky. Take your right hand high, reverse your warrior. Reach up and go back. Find a place for your left hand. Take a big inhale. Exhale, hands come down to your mat. High push up to low push up. Upward dog, inhale. Downward dog, exhale. Left foot steps, warrior one. Rise up, open out, warrior two. Check in. Feel your breath. Feel that you are grounded, supported, supporting yourself. Enjoy this practice, this time, this breath. Spin your palms to the sky, left hand high, reverse your warrior. Lengthening through both sides of your body here. Take a big inhale, exhale, hands come down to your mat. High push up to low push up. Upward dog, inhale, downward dog, exhale. Take a deep breath in. And a long breath out. Another big inhale here. Exhale lightly, walk or jump forward. Halfway lift, inhale, exhale, fold. Chair pose, sit down, come on up. Fold forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale. High push up to low push up, exhale. Upward dog, take a big breath in, downward dog, breath out. Right foot steps, warrior one, rise up. Warrior two, reverse your palms, reverse your warrior. Exhale, hands come down to your mat. Chaturanga, low push up. Upward dog, take a breath in, downward dog, breath out. Left foot steps, Virabhadrasana, warrior one. Rise, open to warrior two. Left hand high, reverse. Exhale, hands come down. High push up to low push up. Upward dog, take a breath in, downward dog, breath out. Take a really big inhale. Open your mouth, empty out. Bring your feet together a little bit forward. Take your right leg to the sky. Come on forward to your high push-up. Right knee above and outside your right elbow. Inhale, up and back, three-legged dog. High push-up. Knee draws into your chest. You can round and tuck in. Inhale, up and back, three-legged dog. High push-up, right knee, left elbow. Inhale, up and back to your three-legged dog. Bend your right knee, your down dog hip opener. Here, half pigeon. Right knee comes forward. Left leg lengthens. You can set up the variation on your back. Lengthening your back leg, your spine, your breath, a big inhale. And then fold forward. Even in this little bit of time, the balance of movement and then slowing down. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Both are equally important. The movement, the beginning of our practice to loosen everything up. Give yourself some space. And then slow down and feel the space, feel your breath. Give yourself a little bit of time. Often we get stuck in the habit of movement and rushing one thing to the next. And it's easy to carry that onto your mat with you. Feeling the movement of your breath. Feeling if, as you pay attention to your breath, your thinking mind can slow down. Take a deep breath in. And a long breath out. And really feeling that even without moving your body, there's all kinds of stuff happening right here, right now. And take a deep breath in. And a long exhale. Set your hands under your shoulders. Make your way back to your downward facing dog. A three-legged dog is really nice here, right leg up and back. If you want to add in your vinyasa, you can. And then in your downward facing dog, feet together a little bit forward, left leg to the sky. High push up, left knee above and outside your left elbow. Inhale, up and back, three-legged dog. High push up, knee draws into your chest. Squeeze and round out of your shoulders. Inhale, up and back, three-legged dog. Left knee across your body, outside the right elbow. Bring it forward and make a connection. Inhale, up and back, three-legged dog. Bend your left knee, down dog, hip opener. Now, half pigeon. Left knee comes forward. Make whatever adjustments feel right for you. You don't have to rush into it. Add in any extra support that feels right. You might remind yourself of your intention. Feeling your breath. And take a deep breath in. And a long breath out. Letting yourself have this time, have this practice. Really feeling what's happening here so you can feel the benefits while you're on your mat and when you step off your mat. Take a big breath in. And a long exhale. Take a deep, full body breath in here. And empty it out. Set your hands under your shoulders. One last downward facing dog. Again, the option for a three-legged dog, a vinyasa. As you come into your downward dog, take a deep breath in. And a long breath out. Bring your knees to your mat. Sit back over your heels. Lie down on your back and set up for your bridge or your wheel. Set your feet flat. Take the time to feel your feet. Set your foundation. Inhale. Fill up and lift up. Come up for your bridge. You can come up for your wheel. Steady connection down. Feel where you are right now, what you are doing. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Breathe in and breathe out. Once more, big inhale. And then nice and easy. Come on down, come onto your back. Soles of your feet together. Knees to the sides. Supta Baddha Konasana. Big breath in through your nose. Hold the breath for a moment. Open your mouth, empty out. Moving right into Shavasana. You can stay here. You might add in a twist. Extend your legs or take your legs up against a wall. And instead of rushing into the next thing, give yourself these last few moments. And you will feel better. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Bring some movement back to your body. Draw your knees to your chest. Roll to one side and make your way to seated. Set your gaze. Lower your gaze or close your eyes. Pause for just a moment together. Let's take a deep breath in. And a long exhale. Drawing your thumbs to your forehead, to your third eye center. Together we say, Namaste. Thanks everyone. Thanks for joining me today. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so you're notified as new videos come out. I love practicing with you. I'd love to hear from you as well. If you want to let me know what you're looking for in the comments below. Please check out my Patreon page when you get a moment. It's also the Bent Yogi. There's some really cool stuff happening there. I'm Heather. I'm the Bent Yogi. Take care of yourself, take care of each other, and I'll see you on your mat.